Hi everyone, creating a progress bar in Excel is a brilliant way to make tracking goals or project completion visuals instant. You don't need any complex coding or macros for this, just a clever use of conditional formatting. So first you need to select the cells that contains your completion data. Like I have a data for the sales from Jan to December, and then go to the home tab in the Excel ribbon and then click on the conditional formatting and click on the data bars. Here is the some gradient fills. You can choose any of your favorite colors or you can choose the solid color, for example pink. If you want to use a different color, go to the data bars and click on the more rules. And here in the new formatting rules, you need to click on this bar appearance and here is the color. If you want to select the solid color, you need to drop down this arrow and select the color of your choice. This is the solid color. And if you want to make a border around the progress bar, you can select this drop down arrow and click the solid border and select the color of your choice, for example yellow, and click OK to proceed. And here you can see that a beautiful progress bar is inserted. If you change the values, for example 1450, the progress bar will automatically update like this one. Again, select it, go to the conditional formatting and click on the manage rules, and now click on the edit rules. And here if you want a gradient fill, you need to select on this option, click the color of your choice, for example purple, and select the solid color and select the color of your choice for the border, for example light green one, and click OK to proceed and OK, and here it is. If you want to remove the progress bars, again select it, go to the home, go to the conditional formatting, click on manage rules and click on the delete rule. Delete rule again and click OK, and here it has been removed. So with this way you can easily create progress bar in Excel. I hope you like the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.